Getting out into nature is one of the best ways to experience a happier and healthier life. Introducing the Hitch Hotel. When inventor Jeff Patterson originally designed a cargo box for his son's need to safely secure and store his mountain bike while traveling, he realized he could do a lot more. It was then the world's first expandable wheelless trailer was born. We spent over 3 years designing and testing the Hitch Hotel to make sure it was light, strong, and weather-resistant. Easy to set up, it becomes a traveling hotel for everyone who loves an adventure and a good night's sleep. Ready to go whenever and wherever. The Hitch Hotel is built tough, with lightweight aircraft aluminum and hand-laid fiberglass. The Hitch Hotel is designed to store and transport your valuable equipment. Completely self-supportive, requiring no heavy lifting, the Hitch Hotel can be set up in just minutes once you reach your destination. It's truly an organic extension of your vehicle. When expanded, it becomes a large sleeping area of over 135 cubic feet. It will keep you and your belongings safe and secure in any environment. Enjoy your adventurous life a lot more while relaxing and sleeping comfortably with the Hitch Hotel. Wherever you're going, whenever you get there, your room is ready.
Hey there, I'm Tony. Wonder why I'm dancing? My dad asked me to invent a TRONO version that is even cooler, stronger, smaller, and designed especially for kids. So let me introduce my new invention. Yet I couldn't have done it without my two partners in crime. Come on guys, there's kids watching. Let's go. This is the TRONO, and it's super easy to carry. Perfect for any adventure. People were astonished when they saw me inflate my TRONO in mere seconds. Sup, ladies? Nice blankie, but there's no way I'm sitting on the ground. So let me explain why this TRONO is the world's best chair for kids. First off, this baby inflates without a pump. TRONO Kids comes with removable, washable covers, making it extra comfy on those hot and sweaty days. And it's water resistant. What else would you need? Oh, thanks, babe. There they are. My gaming buddies. Are they trying to bribe me? No way. We gamed all day, and I totally crushed it. I won everything, of course. The TRONO Kids is also perfect for my younger 5-year-old brother. If I let him play on it, of course. We gotta make TRONO Kids happen. Visit our Kickstarter page and help make kids comfy all over the world.
And now we are back with the new and improved BAUBAX 2.0, the world's best travel jackets with 25 features.
Morphing Karambit represents a complete rethinking of the folding pocket knife. It's a response to some very important questions. How can you deploy a pocket knife blade while your fingers are securely wrapped around the handle? Do your fingers have to cross the rotational path of a blade? How do you discreetly secure a Karambit-style pocket knife without the inconveniences of a traditional pocket clip? The Morphing Karambit has just 5 principal parts plus fasteners. It's compact and rugged, with unprecedented functionality in its category.